Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we learned question number 3 related with exercise number 2.4 related with the derivative using product rule, quotient rule and another types of rule of differentiation. In today's video, I am going to solve question number 4 related with the same exercise number 2.4 chapter number 2 differentiation related with the topic of parametric functions in term of t. So let's move toward a question. It tells that find dy by dx of the following parametric function. Part number A is a function is given x which is equal to 1 plus t square, and a second function is given y is equal to t cube plus 2t square plus 1. How can we find a dy by dx for these two functions? Remember, we can find a dy by dx by using chain rule. Chain rule tells that that dy by dx is equal to dy by dt multiply dt divided by dx. Because this dt will cancel out with this dt, we are again left with dy by dx. So first we are going to find the derivative of y with respect to t. So our y function is t cube plus 2t square and plus 1. Differentiate both sides with respect to t, so it becomes dy by dt will be equal to the 3 will comes to the front and subtract 1 in the power, so 3t square, and taking the derivative of this function 2 will comes to the front, so it will multiply with 2, it gives us a 4, and subtract power in the power, it becomes just t, and the derivative of constant is 0. This is dy by dt. Now take the derivative of x with respect to t, so it becomes dx by dt will be equal to the derivative of 1 is 0 and the derivative of 2t will be 2t, t square will be 2t. Now putting the values over here and find dy by dx. So dy by dt is 3t square plus 4t. So 3t square plus 4t multiplying dt by dx is actually, this is dx by dt, so reciprocate both sides. So it becomes dt by dx will be equal to 1 over 2t. So this is dt by dx. Put dt by dx over here. So it becomes 1 over 2t. Now what are this? Cancelling this t with this t and this t square, because here if we take out t common, inside we are left with just 3t and plus 4. And in denominator, if we are supposed to take out t common, inside we are left with 2. So this t is cancelled out with t, we are just left with 3t plus 4 divided by 2. So this is the simplified form for the dy by dx for the part number A. Now move to part number C, which is the comprehensive and the most difficult part of question number 5, dy by dx. It tells that a function x is given which is equal to a multiply 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, and the second function y is equal to 2bt divided by 1 plus t square. Now we are going to first write a formula for the parametric function that dy by dx will be equal to the dy by dt and multiply dt by dx. So this is the formula. Now first we are going to find the derivative of a function y with respect to t. So our y function is 2bt divided by 1 plus t square. Now differentiate both sides with respect to t, because dy by dt. So dy by dt will be, here this is in fraction form, so we will use a quotient rule for differentiation. Quotient rule tells that second function 1 plus t square, derivative of this function which will be b will comes to the front because this is a constant, and the derivative of 2t will be 2, so multiplying that 2 with b, it will give us a value 2b. So this is the derivative minus time of this function 2bt multiplying the derivative of this function which gives us a value 2t divided by this function whole square, 1 plus t square whole square. Now after this, by simplification, it becomes 2b plus 2bt square and minus 4 times of bt square minus 4 times of bt square divided by 1 plus t square whole square. Now after this, taking the derivative of x with respect to t, so dx by dt will be equal to the using quotient rule. So this function 1 plus t square, derivative of this function, so a multiply 1 gives us 1, so derivative of a constant is 0, and minus 2at, so the derivative is minus 2at, minus time of this function a into 1 minus t square, and the derivative of this function which gives us a value 2t, divided by second function 1 plus t square whole square. Now by simplification it becomes minus 2at and minus 2at cube, and here minus 2at and plus 2at cube, and divided by 1 plus t square whole square. Now minus 2at cube will cancel out with 2at cube, and minus 2at gives us a value minus 4at divided by 1 plus t square whole square. Now using these values over here and finding our dy by dx, which is the required result. So dy by dt, this is the dy by dt, 2bt square minus 4bt square gives our value minus 2bt square divided by 1 plus t square into whole square. Multiply dt by dx. This is dx by dt. So reciprocate both sides, it will becomes dt by dx. So 1 plus t square whole square will comes to the numerator. So and denominator we are left with minus 4 times of a into t. Now 1 plus t square whole square will cancel out with 1 plus t square whole square. Here if I supposed to take out a common 2, so inside we are left with b minus bt square. 2 into b minus bt square. In numerator, denominator take out t common, we are left with minus 4a. So t is cancelled out. Here I supposed to take out 2 common. So by taking out 2 common inside, we are left with minus 2at. So 2 is cancelled out with 2, we are left with b minus bt square divided by negative time of 218. So this negative will comes to the numerator, so it becomes a bt square minus b divided by 280. So this is the required derivative for the part number C. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about second year mathematics derivative. Thank you.